Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to our Tajweed course on YouTube. Tajweed is the art of reciting the Quran with correct pronunciation, intonation, and emphasis. It's an essential part of Quranic studies and help to preserve the integrity of divine text. In this course, you will learn the rules of Tajweed and how to apply them when reciting the Quran. I will guide you through the various aspects of Tajweed, including the correct pronunciation of Arabic letters, the rules of vowelization and emphasis, and the various articulation of the Quranic sounds. Whether you are a beginner looking to improve your Quranic recitation or an experienced reciter seeking to perfect your skills, this course is designed to meet your needs. With a combination of lectures, exercises, and recitation practice, you will gain a comprehensive knowledge of Tajweed and the ability to apply the rules confidently and accurately. We hope that this course will provide you with a deeper appreciation of the Quranic text and help you to connect with its divine message in a more meaningful way. See you soon with a series of lectures, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.